The ZANU-PF in Masvingo is fired a ward councillor for supporting Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sarambira mashoko anobuda anyona tonokuti another Chiwenga ally has been fired. Panguva ino tiri kuona kuti nawo hematensions ari kuita the Revolutionary Party inozikamwa nenyika yose azonyanyisa. Notibva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timna zimu nyugwa muchinzi Brighton Mushekwa, the party's Bigita Ward Cove councillor, was verbally dismissed by the ZANU-PF Deputy Secretary for Youth Affairs, John Baraza, during a district coordinating committee DCC meeting. Mushekwa stands accused of refusing to chant the contentious slogan 23rd Vanilla Vachitonga, perceived as an endorsement of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's continued rule beyond 2028, despite the slogan lacking official approval from the party's central committee. The councillor, however, claims his expulsion is based on unfounded allegations that he supports Chiwenga's faction in the party's escalating succession battle. Factional tension have been brewing within the ZANU-PF as Mnangagwa and his deputy Chiwenga jockey for influence ahead of the 2028 election. Chiwenga, a former army general instrumental in ousting a regime coming 2017, seen by many as a vying for the position of the top position. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa's allies are pushing a narrative of his leadership extending into the next decade, symbolized by the controversial 2031 Vachitonga slogan. Tomashika nomuda nyogwa nawo kumona mzimu ationa kuti this councillor watikuona this legislator mukomana Brighton Mushekwa achifaiwa nemukomana weYouth League. Zvatiri kuona kuti panapa vakomana havasi kutamba, vanhu vatori serious with this 2030 vision. Tibudze mafungiro enyu matiri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi, tichiona kuti VP vachizosara vari kuri sidelined, vanyatsokuona kuti chigaro chiri kutongopfuura zvavo vakangoti vakatarisa. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.